This animation went viral on Instagram with 2 million likes, and I will show you how to recreate it easily, even if you have just opened After Effects for the first time. And guys, if you can make animation like this, you can do more than just impress your friends, you can earn from it. So every motion designer starts small, the difference is taking the next step, yeah?
Yeah, but if you want to create animations like Epta or other top creators and maybe even start making money with it, I've got something for you. I made a course for beginners and beyond with 10 clear modules and project files that get updated over time. You will learn how to make professional motion graphics, and after finishing the course you will have the skills to start working with clients or even build your own income online. This is exactly how I started. The link to the course in the description.
So guys, it's also fair to say that this animation was made not by me for the first time. I found the inspiration from this page on Instagram, so I highly recommend you to check it out and follow them for more inspiration. So guys, now we are going to create a new composition. Choose this preset. Make sure you have everything like I have here, and we are ready. We are ready to procreation. But guys, I will use it for my more convenience. So this is the referral video I got from Instagram, and we are going to recreate this boss for the first, and I made it easily. I just used the pen tool, and here we are going just to make it in this way. If you will remove the stroke and use the fill, we will have this just a white core of the bow, and what I made, I also added here the layer style, so it was the inner shadow like this. It's up to you guys, you can not use it, but I did, so we can change the angle and probably it will be fine. Maybe the distance will be about 4 pixels, I don't know. And now it is probably good. We need also here the line, the straight line, using our pen tool as well. So we are making this line, and also guys, we are going to add here the point in the center over here. We will remove the fill and we will just leave the stroke. You need to decide how many pixels it will be, so I decided I guess it will be enough if you will use just only 1 pixel for it. And also guys, we need our arrow. So about the recreation of arrow, you can download it or you can make it with the pen tool. It's up to you, it's not very necessary. So guys, I'm just recreating it with the pen tool like this. So guys, our anchor point of our arrow we are going to set at the top of our arrow over here. You will understand it a bit later, but now all we need just to make an animation with our bow. So here we have the straight line. It's over here, and we need to make this animation done. So how to do it? Just to find the contents, shape, and the path. Here guys, we are going to find the path and use our keyframe, tapping on this icon, and going further, we are going to the first second somewhere here, and we will pressing the shift on my keyboard, make it in this way. So then we are going to copy the first our keyframe and moving to the second, we are going to paste it. So it will have this animation. You can guys later like adjust these keyframes. You can make it like more faster, or it's up to you. So guys, I'm just trying to not waste a lot of your time. So you will need to make these several times actions, yeah, like this. So let's make it together. I will do it only one time because you already know the main principles. So our bow, we need to find the position of our bow. I'm pressing the P on my keyboard, and here we are going to select it, yeah, and at this point our arrow should follow our line of the bow, yeah, and here we will turn it back, copying this first keyframe. So let's see. Yeah, so guys, you can copy these animations, yeah, like this, copy and paste. So you can make it several times. You can make more faster, for example, so it's up to you. So guys, for the beginners, it's very important technique to know. We are going just to make the straight line like this with our pen tool. We will use this, I guess, 2 pixel stroke, and let's find in the contents of our line the stroke here. Here we are going to add some dashes, and we have a lot of dashes like this, but if you will increase this amount, we will have not that much, yeah, so we need to make it something like this probably. So and how we will animate our lines, guys, to make them like infinitive, yeah, so it never ends like this. We have here one interesting option. This is our offset, so that's what we are going to make. We are just increasing this amount, yeah, like this. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, that's exactly what we need. So guys, after we made these lines, we are going to make some more, and I will just duplicate it one more time like this, but we will change our offset. Probably we will make it in another direction, so they will move in another like direction, yeah, like this, yeah. And we need also understand that we will have here the second bow over here, and we need to find the point where it will shoot in our target, which will be over here. So for example, it will be on the 6th second, yes, over here, and we need to adjust on the 6th second how it should be done, yeah. So we can change this gap like this. So our bow will be like here, and it will shoot in this straight line over here. So here I'm going to duplicate one more time our lines, and guys, absolutely the same way we are going to make it done. So, but I want to make some corrections of our offsets, so we will make a bit more harshness in our lines, yeah. Probably, by the way, it's pretty nice already. So we will have here the straight line for our arrow. After you just made the second bow, you will set it in this way. So guys, the same, make animation like this, but we need to make our arrow to shoot, yeah. And it's pretty easy, we just need to duplicate our arrow and paste it over here. So guys, after you created your arrow, or you just duplicated it, it's up to you. All we need just to make some keyframes for our bow. So guys, somewhere here we are going to adjust our point, our middle point like this. So guys, I found this keyframe when our line is going to move in this way, yeah. So I just need to make the same way for our bow, like this. for our arrow, I'm sorry. So, and when it goes back, we need to make our arrow pass through these lines. If something goes wrong, guys, you can adjust it on your timeline, so as I did over here. So yeah, you can see. You just need to make some correction on of your offsets over here. About this target, I just remade it with the pen tool once again, as I did with our bows, yeah. So nothing too special, or you can just find any target from flat icon image or something like that. It's up to you. And how I make this arrow to change this color, and also you can see here I've added this glow effect, yeah. So let's see. It's over here. So guys, I just added the fill. Here we can see in the effects the fill. So you just need to apply it, and you can see here this clock, yeah. So you can make animation for your color using your keyframes. It's pretty easy. So for example, here it was white, and here it goes to be the green one. Pretty easy and cool feature, guys. And also I used the deep glow when our arrow goes in the target, yeah, like this. Also, guys, I did here some failure shoots here from this bow, and I will leave this animation in my Discord, so you will be able to download it, and you will be able to find how everything works inside. If you missed something or made something wrong, you can just see how it works from this project file, yeah, guys. So guys, I hope this video was really helpful, and I hope you will put some likes on it. So you're my motivation, and I will try to make more animations for you, some more breakdowns, more animations, yeah. So we will keep in touch.